Now, in the 6th month, the angel Gabriel was sent by the God to the city of Galilee, whose name was Joseph, of the house of the David. The virgin name was Mary. The angel said to her, "Rejoice, highly favored one, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women." Mary was troubled at the saying and considered what manner of greeting this was. And the angel said to her, "Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God. And behold, you will conceive in your womb, and bring forth a son, and shall call his name as Jesus. He will be great, and will be called the Son of the Highest." Then Mary said to the angel, "How can this be seen? I don't know a man." And the angel said to her, "The Holy Spirit will come upon you, and the power of the Most High will overshadow you. Therefore the child to be born will be called Holy, the Son of the God." Mary said to the angel, "Behold, I am the servant of the Lord. Let it be to me according to your will." And the angel departed from her. Then Joseph, her husband, being a just man, and not wanting to make a public example, was minded to put over her, was secretly, but while he thought about these things, behold, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream, saying, "Joseph, the son of the David, do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife. For that which is conceived in her is of the Holy Spirit, and she will be the fourth a son, and you shall call his name Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins." Then Joseph arose from sleep, and did as the angel of the Lord commanded him. And it came to the pass in those days that a decree went out from the Caesar Augustus that all the world should be registered. So everyone went to their own cities and to be registered. Then Joseph also went up from Galilee to Judea, to the city of David, which is called Bethlehem. Joseph and Mary searched desperately for a room, but finding none, they were finally offered a humble mansions to stay in. That night in the fields near Bethlehem, some shepherds were keeping watch over their flocks by the night. And behold, an angel of the Lord stood before them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were greatly afraid. That the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid, for behold, will be all the people of their born is to you. In this day the Lord and his will be sight to you. You will find a babe wrapped in swaddling cloths, lying in a manger." Hey, hey, the king has been born. The king has been born. Let us go. Come on. Let us worship him. Yes. When the three kings, they went their way, and behold the star, which has been seen in the east. In its rising went before until then. They came and stood over the place where the young child was. When they saw the star, they were filled with joy. And on going into the house, they saw the child and Mary, his mother, and they bowed down and worshipped him. Then opening their treasure bags, they presented to them gift of gold, frankincense, and myrrh.